The other day I was reading through PHP source code, as one does, but more specifically, I was reading through the list of reserved keywords in PHP's language definition file, and I saw things you'd probably expect, like implements, include, instance of, interface, but eventually I came across this mystery keyword, instead of. Now, I've been working with PHP for like 20 years, and I've literally never seen this keyword. So what the heck does it do? Well, let's take a look at this thingy class. It uses two traits, thing1 and thing2, but these two traits each implement the same do the other thing method. And if we try to run this code, it's going to blow up. So what are our options? Well, if the two methods are implemented identically and it's just some simple code duplication, but we need the other traits in each method, and this duplicated method needs to be kept in each trait, we could just extract the duplicated method into a third trait, then use that third trait in both of these original traits. This works just fine, and it's a perfectly reasonable solution. But what if the implementations are different? Or what if we'd just rather pick one implementation to use instead of making a new trait to keep track of? Well, this is where PHP's conflict resolution syntax comes in. Check this out. But first, we're going to back out all our changes. By the way, if you're going to do this in Tinkerwell, you're going to need to disable magic comments first. I was chatting with Marcel about this in Dallas at Laracon, and it's because of how they add comments behind the scenes for each line for their magic comments feature. Now let's tell PHP that we want the do the other thing implementation from the thing1 trait instead of the method using the same name from the thing2 trait. It works. We've removed the conflict and we're using the version of this method that we need. Now, what do we do if both implementations are different and we actually need both methods, but they just happen to be named the same? Well, the syntax also lets us alias method names. So let's just alias the do the other thing method from thing2 to do the second other thing. And they both work. There's more the syntax lets you do as well. Like you can change the method visibility from public to private. You can even change the visibility without having to alias the name of the method. Traits are amazing. When I was reading this stuff, I learned that you can even define abstract methods in them, and I had no idea. Anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you all today. Follow, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Cheers.